everybody, Chris here. Could the upcoming Dogecoin bounce be bigger than we thought? We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And I'm going to have a special live stream on Thursday afternoon, 1:30 p.m. East Coast time. We're going to start. We're going to be covering the FOMC meeting. The Fed is going to most likely lower interest rates again. Looks like it'll probably be 25 basis points, but we're going to cover it live because Mr. Tom Crown is on his way to Dubai, and he normally does these live streams, which are a lot of fun, but he's out, so I am going to do that. I won't be as good as Tom, won't have quite as much detail on the estimates, but we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna have fun. So join in FOMC Live Thursday afternoon, and then following, again, I'll have my normal Friday 4:00 p.m. East Coast time live stream where we'll sum up the week, look forward to the weekend, and have our normal Friday AMA as well, where we talk about all kinds of things, whatever's on your mind as well in the chat. So make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure you have your notifications on. Live streams are always fun. But right now, we want to get into this post-election surge that we just had. Bitcoin, all-time high. Doge shooting up as well, and even ETH as well. So a lot of charts and news to cover. So let me show you what I'm looking at. And we start here with the current Dogecoin chart, and we are right over 19 cents. We are holding 19 cents right now for Doge. Again, on Tuesday night, we had this big run up just about to 22 cents. The election night epic live stream that we had here on the Chris Bax channel was a lot of fun. We were trying to hold 20 cents, but couldn't. 20 cents is looking like resistance now based on Wednesday's trading here. So that is the current state of Dogecoin. Bitcoin, of course, made a second run up over $76,000. That's right, 76. And as we were in price discovery, new all-time high, we snapped some fib levels, and we will explore those more during the live stream on Bitcoin. But right now, we also have ETH as well, and ETH is making a comeback here. We think this is probably tied to Polymarket and other uses of ETH following the election. We will talk about that as well. But overall, what is going on? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, slingshot to the moon after Trump victory. Do you think we're at the moon yet? I don't think so. But there could be a sharp correction that might be in store. I don't think so. I think that we are, with cryptocurrencies and Donald Trump's presidential victory in the election, anticipation of a friendlier crypto White House. That's right. So Bitcoin battered its previous all-time high with a handsome rally, pushed it above 75K and even up over 76. That's right. ETH jumped to levels last seen in late August. Dogecoin spiked over 8%. ETH encountered some heavy sell-offs, but was pushed even higher, I think, because we had this huge Polymarket betting, and then I guess they get paid out in ETH, and so ETH is in rotation, and now Polymarket is looking ahead to many more bets, upcoming bets. Probably won't be as big as the presidential election, but still, Polymarket is the place to be for worldwide betting now, on-chain. Bearish leverage traders witnessed a bloodbath with nearly $400 million in short positions getting wiped out in the last 24 hours. That's right. We had, of course, the huge shorts. Even more than this got wiped out election night, but it has continued. That's right. Shorts getting wiped out. Open interest surged. So again, a lot of betting going on, both short and long. But right now, it's about 1.48 of long over short. That means that 50% more bets are being made on leveraged longs now, because who's shorting? I mean, who's shorting right now? Some think that there's going to be this post-election drop, and usually in bull markets we do see big pullbacks, but I wouldn't be betting against crypto right now. I would not be betting against crypto. So Lark Davis says, look, on the ETH, right? ETH is starting to wake up. Weekly MACD bull cross, 2800 key resistance. We're going to 10K this cycle. So here's the MACD. The crossover is happening. We're about to come into the green. So ETH is finally waking up, which is typically what we saw in previous cycles. We see Bitcoin, then we see ETH, and then we see all the alts. Of course, Doge. Doge can do its own thing because we've got crazy 3 billion Doge acquired by Dogecoin whales in 24 hours. So the whales are on board with this big increase in the price of Doge because they know it's going higher as well. Dogecoin up 79%. That's right, 79% in 1 month. It's a beautiful bounce from key levels. That's what we're looking for. And Ali's saying, look, on the lower time frames, Doge is consolidating within a descending triangle. Breaking up from 19.8 resistance could spark a 10% move up to 22. And we're still fighting in the 19s right now, though. Post-election, we said things will quiet down a little bit. Everyone will take a breather. That's what's happening now. But what about this bounce? What about this upcoming bounce? Credible says a beautiful bounce on Doge from key levels, technically now in a short zone. So, right, shorters come out, always on Doge, right? They think Doge is going to push lower. Big short positions opened on Doge, probably more percentage-wise than Bitcoin or ETH. So that's kind of what Doge is fighting right now, trying to get back up to 20 cents. But there's a decent chance we will go for local highs, 22 to 23 cents. Again, we need to eclipse what we had back in late March. I'm not interested in shorting Doge at this time. And I wouldn't be either. Master Kenobi reminds us, look at the chart. We zoom out on the 4-year cycles, 2016 into 2017, where we're at this point where Doge went crazy. 2020 into 2021, where Doge went crazy. And then here we are in 2024, a similar turn happening, and we're just at the beginning of this. Where will Doge bounce up to after this bounce here that we saw, again, early September? That's when I called the Doge Bitcoin trading pair would take off. Doge will outperform Bitcoin percentage-wise from that point, because as we were in the bear market, of course, Bitcoin held up much better than Doge percentage-wise, but now it's Doge's turn. Here's what Kenobi says. Clean and smooth chart, exactly as predicted, now quietly following its path. Why would anyone get swayed by noise and chase after Fugazi when you have this magnificent chart right in front of you? Why would anyone still bet against Elon now as Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency, inches closer to reality and the real fun is just about to begin? Why would anyone ignore the growing possibility of Doge being integrated into X payments or even jokingly sent as a sticker on a rocket bound for the moon or even Mars? Let's enjoy Doge while it's still under the institution's radar, because like it or not, that will come one day. Join the honest yet powerful Doge community alongside me and under the watchful, ever surprising spirit of Elon. Let's turn Doge into a second Bitcoin together, because yes, I'm more convinced than ever that there is a second best, and it's Dogecoin, and only the power of the community can prove it. That's right. Bitcoin, store of value, Dogecoin, currency, day-to-day, peer-to-peer, the people's currency. That is where we are right now. How big is this bounce going to be? Doge Designer says Doge will be a driving force in shaping America's future. This is what we're going to be hearing in 2025. This is what it's going to be. In the shorter term, October closed green. November already green and will close green. December will close green. That's right, we were looking at the history of the 4-year cycles, October, November, December, right? Fall of 2024. This is what we've been waiting for. This is what we've been building for the past couple of years as we survived the bear market. Now, here we are in the green. What are you going to bet on? Where is this bounce going to go? Yes, we do have, again, post-election, we've got some big shorting going on. We're going to see a little bit of sideways, slightly down. I don't foresee any huge drops happening. And we will go up from here. So, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this bounce and where you think Doge is going. Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.